always a cost. It is what it is. Man, we all do it.
Who are you, Dwight?
Turn around, asshole. What do we have there?
Took a man's medicine. I'm just here to get it back for him.
Somebody did a number on your face.
Let me walk out of here. Never see me again.
You stole from us. Now an example needs to be made. Starting with the other side of your face. No! No! No!
What the hell do you think you're doing? We will find you! Jay! Jay, where are you? Hey! Hey! Hey, I got it! Jay! Kill me when you had me. I tried to make it right, Daryl. But I guess I couldn't. You should have killed me when you had the chance, Daryl. You should have just killed me when you had the chance, please. Please come and do it right now, please. Come on! Daryl,
D?
what are you doing here?
D. We came here to find you.
We need you!